Hey boys and girls, tonight I will be finding a start time when given an elapsed time and end time so that I can solve elapsed time problems, and I'll know that I have it when I can find my start times. So this time you'll be giving when it ended, the elapsed time, how long it lasted, and we'll be working backwards to find the start time. So over this weekend I made apple cider using this fancy little machine that would let me take all the skin off and slice it up for me, and then I would blend it. And it took me about 2.5 hours to prepare all the time to make it into cider, all the apples to make it into cider. I forgot to see what time I started, but I saw it was 1:15 when I was done. So what time did I begin? Just like with our other elapsed time work, I can use a T-chart to find this. Difference is I'll be working backwards this time. So I still do my hours first, and I'll be working backwards. So I ended at 1:15, going back 1 hour, subtracting 1 hour, puts me at 12:15. Subtracting back another hour put me at 11:15. Now I do my minutes, and I use this as my first one. So I have 11:15. Now I'm going back. I'm going back 30 minutes, and I'm going to go back 15 minutes at first because that will put me at 11 o'clock. Then I'll go back another 15 minutes. That's a total of 30 minutes, and that will put me at 10:45 a.m. because I crossed over noon right in that area. So my start time, what time I started chopping up all the apples, was around 10:45 a.m. Moving forward, then I had to press the apples, and I used that little contraption that I've built to press the apples and let them sit. So use the problem here and tell me what time did I begin resting and pressing my apples. So pause it and solve it. All right. So again, using my T-chart, my hours T-chart. So I was finished at 5:55 p.m. and I have to count back 3 hours first. So I can do minus 1 hour puts me at 4:55. Count back another hour, that can put me at 3:55. And count back my third hour, that will put me at 2:55. Then I have to do my minutes, knowing I start with my last value, 2:55. I'm going to count back by tens this time. 10 minutes will put me at 2:45. Another 10 minutes will put me at 2:35. Another 10 minutes will put me back at 2:25. Another 10 minutes puts me at 2:15. That's a total of 40 minutes there, and I have 45, so I'll count back another 5 minutes. That'll put me at 2:10. So 2:10, I'm still my PM because I never cross over noon. 2:10 p.m. is my final time. That way I was counting backwards, which is why those were all subtracting an hour. That's going to wrap it up for us here. Your bring back to school problems about how I used the applesauce, or the apples that were left over to make some applesauce. Then I had to simmer them, which is cooking them on a low heat for a long time. So I'd like to know, what time did I start simmering them? This is what I'll be looking back along with your work, and I will see you in the morning.